Sanibonani, igama lami uThando Uxolo Kacele. I-Memorial Park le ekhona eMarian Hill indawo enhle kakhulu because it provides a beautiful and peaceful environment for remembrance and honoring the dead and our loved ones. It's also something that is extremely important because it also provides security, and all the people who are within the brackets where they can afford their own cemeteries, they're encouraged to come to a place like this because this is a place where it honors everyone that they loved. It's a place of love, it's a place of tranquility, it's a place of meditation, and it's a place of tranquility. Siya provider, siya lekelela kakhulu ukuthi abantu kufanele noma kanjani ukuthi beze endaweni enje. Nami ngiyimina ngikhumbula isimo esingehlakalele ekhaya engibonayo ukuthi kube le ndawo beyikhona. I would have said this is the place of dignity, this is the place where I would say my loved one must come here as my token of appreciation and indlela yokumhlonipha, not now but in the future. Abantu bayakwazi ukufika bazovakasha bangabi na inkinga. It's a very beautiful place, and we congratulate uNomfundo for being brave. We congratulate Icebo Lethu for being ama-leaders nokuthi bakwazi ukuthi babe ne-foresight engencane, because this is a foresight for 8 years. So congratulations, may the Lord Almighty bless them and keep them safe. Baqhubeke nokwenza umsebenzi omuhle. Siyabonga.